Okay, so I'm back here in the home in Acworth, Georgia, and we've had a little bit of a hiccup, and I'm gonna explain what we're gonna do to fix it. So our installer put an enhanced sealer on this, over this tile, this pebble tile, and that enhanced sealer brought out more of like the darker tones in the pebble, and it's not the look we were going for at all. So we're gonna have to fix this, and this is what it's supposed to look like, because this did not get a sealant on there. Look how gorgeous, hold on, let me zoom back in. Look how gorgeous it's gonna be, but this has all gotta come up. So it's supposed to be this light pebble, and that enhanced sealer made it way too dark, too yellow, not the right vibe we're going for. So we're gonna pull all of this up and redo it, and we will not put a sealant on it this time. It'll just be the natural stone, which is just gorgeous. Okay, so this is another issue that we ran into. This archway was supposed to have all of these small little brick pattern. It's supposed to come all the way down. That's what the client had asked for, and somehow there was a mishap with how they installed the tile here. So we've got to pull up this and add all these little brick pieces in to go around the arch to make this right for the client. So I want to give you an update. I'll come back next week and do another update of what it's going to look like once we fix this.